Hello, my dear friends. So, today we are going to take a tour of 3-bed furnished apartment in Creek Residences Tower 3 South. So, this is the 3-bed apartment which I was talking about, and you can see a huge living space. In my left side, you can see the kitchen, and it has got an amazing view. So, all you can see it is a harbor view, and right in front of me I can see the skyline view as well. So let me take a round of this apartment. You can see furnitures around, huge living area, good ceiling heights. Now let me take you quickly to the balcony. It has got a small balcony. It is a corner unit, by the way, and I'm entering over here. Yeah, I'm in. So I can see a huge area right in front of me with the water, skyline view, and of course harbor is here right in front of me. I can see a small vacant space. I believe it is for a park, meant for a park. And this is the entrance wherein we enter to the building, Tower 3. So this was corner unit, and it has got a size of 2123 square feet. Good size. Now I'm entering back into the apartment, and this is the kitchen, fully equipped. I should take you into the kitchen now. You can take a broader view, you can take a look. I'm almost there. Yeah, there you go. So this is the kitchen. On my right I can see a pre-fitted refrigerator. Oh, Teka company, good one. Storage spaces, crockeries, microwave, everything is there. So you just have to take your bag and move in. Good number of storage spaces, I can see it. Oh, there you go. It has got a small dining space as well. So I can enjoy a cup of tea over here with my newspaper. You can see kitchen is good finishing. Crockery, storage spaces, everything what I can imagine. Cooking range with oven. Now I think I should proceed towards master bed. Master bed, oh, huge size. Glass is till the ceiling height. Also it has got a small balcony. I can already see some of the chairs and table already there. Instead of this dressing table, I would replace the television. Huge size television right in front of my bed. So from the balcony itself I can see the harbor as well. It's all about the Creek harbor. Good size. Paintings. Okay, it has got a walk-in closet. So let me show you the walk-in closet. Yeah, good number of storage spaces. Now I think I should proceed towards the washroom. Wow, master bed has got a huge washroom. Okay, it has got storage spaces underneath this wash basin, bathtub, standing shower. Good one, good size, good finishing. I really love this apartment. I'll show you other two of the bedrooms. By the way, this is a 3-bed, comes along with the maid's room. So I will show you the maid's room first of all, as well as the laundry room. So this is the maid's room. Of course, maid's room comes along with the washroom, and it has got adjacent laundry. Now I should proceed towards the second bed. Oh, this is the guest washroom. in my terms, guest washroom is 0.5 washroom. It is not a full washroom. So this is the washroom of the second room. It has got a bathtub. Okay. Storage spaces underneath the wash basin again. Now this is the second room I'm entering to. Again, it is a decent size. Oh, it has got a storage space as well. So here also in front of the dressing table I can use the television. So it has got a window. Okay, I can see the waters from here as well. Now let me proceed towards the third bed. Okay, so this is the third bedroom. Let me show the washroom first. So this is the washroom. Again, it comes with a bathtub. As you can see, all the three bedrooms are en suite. So this is the third bed, again with a window, and I can see ceiling height glasses, which makes, see, these glasses makes the any apartment brighter. And it has got a storage space as well, cupboard. Now, how do you like the apartment? What is your review? Let me know in the comment section. I'm going back from the rooms to the living area. I can see an amazing view, uninterrupted. Okay, so I got my tools over here. My professional camera is here itself. So let me know how you like the video, and you can subscribe to my channel. And if you want any more details, give me a call. I'll be answering you as soon as possible. Thank you.